First of all, this is the best restaurant in the world for 4 days. You know, we have the best chefs coming in here and putting their best foot forward.
Everybody now knows about what we have curated here, including the White House. What else can I say?
The thing that hasn't changed is the magic is real. The second you step foot on the property here in Salamander, you feel it.
All these people come together for a like mind, a beautiful cause, no egos, just family, fun, recipes, and a good time.
I saw something on one of the gift bags that we received that said, you know, you come as friends, you leave as family. And for me, that's what rum is. So I think this is the perfect combination. Appleton, family reunion, a match made in heaven.
If I had to choose 2 words about what this family reunion has been to me personally, it's been about love and legacy. It's loving each other as a culture, loving each other as a family.
Be in a space where you feel valued, you feel seen, and you feel heard and supported. There's no other feeling like it.
I would say that it's about belonging. We belong. We have a place. We have a space. And ultimately, it's about us, for us, and by us.
Yes.